Well, I found this Rommel's rod kit at the Kingston Model Show beginning of this year, I guess. Picked it up for a decent price, and I've been looking forward to building it. I haven't heard of any official Halloween group builds this year, and it's already the middle of October, so I'm just going to start this along with the other builds that I have going on. But I'm going to get this out and get it ready for paint and primer. It shouldn't be too difficult. There's not a lot of parts. It's 1/24th scale, so it's pretty large. You got the body there, the windows and some of the tires, and the bag with all the body parts. There's a lot of videos out there of this kit, what's in it. I'll open the bag and give things a quick wash, do some sub-assemblies, and then get the primer on it, and do a little bit of weathering, and hope maybe think of some decorating to do with it. So stay tuned for follow-up and updates on this build. Well, I'm back with a progress report on Rommel's rod. I made some pretty good progress on it. I managed to get a lot of it pre-built and mocked up here, fitted together. I've taken the Rust-Oleum Gray 2X primer, and we had a nice warm weekend here. I sprayed all that with the primer. It's just sort of pressed together. I guess the paint's holding it together now. Got as much gray primer on it as I could, and it's all mocked up so I can pull it apart here, and the glue points will still be clear. I got the wheels done here, the spare tire cover. I got the engine, it's from the Little Red Wagon. I got the tracks done in black primer, and what else? I got the skeletons here in Vallejo light gray primer, just brushed on the bone parts there. So it's coming along slowly. I got the engine hand painted. I've got the some of the oil pan and the transmission just in Stynylrez silver primer, and the top part is black primer. I'm going to do a little bit of detail painting, and then there's these chrome parts that'll go on there. And I think I'll dull coat them to make them look more like aluminum. Give them a duller finish. So that's the first step. I wanted to do this in gray. I'm always picturing German vehicles in gray for some reason, and I know this is supposed to be desert, so I'm going to be doing it in tan. But I was watching some videos of other people building this model for ideas and inspiration, and one fellow was suggesting that all these vehicles would have come from Germany in the gray originally and then been repainted for the desert camo. So what I'm going to do is I'll seal these up here, maybe with some hairspray or something, and then put the maybe a light and dark tan over it, and just weather it up a little bit. It's not too much, but just enough for the wear running around in the sand there in the sun. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with further updates as they come along. I'm back again with another progress report. I've got the engine all put together and painted, different washes, and some detail painting on that. Looks pretty good, I think. I got the chrome parts on, went over them with some Tester's dull coat just to take some of the shine off, and a few washes over it, a little bit of color copper and brass on there, a little bit of a green wash as well. I've got the figures. I got the Rommel figure done here. You know, some pictures following the video here at the end. Cut out some clothes for him. Added a thread there to be the strap for his binoculars, and painted him up. Did a brown wash over his bones. Try to leave him pretty white to be out in the bleached in the sun, I think, in the desert. Like I said, I cut out some shapes out of this very thin paper napkin. And on reflection, I think I should have used a little heavier material, heavier paper or cloth, or not cloth, but heavier paper towel or something. It came out pretty thin once the glue and the paint went on it, but came up with the effects pretty good. Painted a little bit of paint on it, sort of imitate the pants and the jacket have kind of worn off. I haven't done as much with the driver figure yet because I want to place him in the car once it's done and get his arms in the right place. So I just painted him up a little bit of wash as well, just the Vallejo light gray primer and a little bit of a brown wash over that. Painted his helmet, put a little bullet hole in the top of the helmet there, and I'll decorate him up a little better as we go along. I've got the, as you've seen, I've got the car in dark gray primer, and I'll be able to do the color coat soon. So stay tuned for further updates and the pictures to follow.